Hello guys, welcome back to another video of DB Bricks. Today we're gonna unbox a Brickmania set, which is, or not set, but box. And we're gonna unbag this Brig Lincoln unboxing, which I already opened because I didn't know what was in it, but now I do. It's Lego stuff. So yeah, I got some tanks lined up on both sides, as you can see, and two figures because I want to show you something about those figures. So first, let's do the Brig Lincoln unboxing because it is small and I already opened it. Is that it? That's it. So what I ordered a Lucius Malfoy minifigure. I really like old Harry Potter sets. Tell me if you want to see me review old Harry Potter sets. Oh, sorry for the shake camera. I really love them. I'm gonna buy some of them soon. And also I'm gonna buy some old Adventurers sets. First I think I want to have all the Dynamite and stuff because that's so awesome. Yeah, and I just like the figures. I really like that suit print there for its time. Pretty cool. In all dark gray, so that's very nice. I will put him behind the German tank commanders. Then I have I think it was 121 of these black bricks. I bought them all out, so yeah, I just got a lot of those for making buildings. So let me put them all in this bin here, so that will be cleaned up. I have a Stuka B version from Brickmania from the Blitzkrieg Bricks book on my wanted list, all the parts, so I'm gonna buy it soon and build it. The only thing I couldn't find were these rocket pieces, and the store had them, and I found out that they are called round bricks, or they're in the category round bricks, so yeah, I just got those four. Pretty nice. And then I got some of these tile with a wood print on it, and that's very cool to use in mocks, and I got 3 of those because the seller only had 3 of those. So that's it for that little order, and now we're going on to the Brickmania set. So let me just put this up a little. So let's see. I guess we're gonna open it here. This is gonna take an age. Let's see if I can. I'm trying to get the blades along. Oh wait, along the. There we go. That was what I was looking for. So let me see if there's an invoice in there. Can't see any right now. So first, let's take out the traditional packing peanuts. So here you have the first figure. He's a regular Panzer Commander, same as this one right here. Pretty cool. Bought him for my Tiger and other German tanks that I have, such as the Panzer IV and Panzer I out there. So very cool. I'm going to just take him out of the bag here. Let's see if I can in the bag this. Pretty cool. Now onto the. We have a lot of stuff here. So I also have the .44 World War II .44 Panzer Commander. I really like .44 camo, and yeah, I just saw it on their website. They restocked it, and I just got it because it's awesome. So let me take him out of his package. Or, yeah, you know what? I'm gonna leave him to be for a second. Next up. Oh, this is awesome. I got a Brick Arms overmolded P08 Luger. This gun is so awesome. I really wanted to have it, so now I got it. So yeah, these guys are pretty expensive, as you know. I think the Luger was $8, something like that. So yeah, so let me see what's more in there. Oh, here you have the invoice. So I got a German winter sticker sheet. So I can make some German winter soldiers, which I want. Got another German rifleman. I got one more Panzer Commander. Didn't know I actually bought two, but I did. And I have two Minifig Cat Barretts. I'll just show these to you. This is what they look like. Here I have my German Panzer Commander with a sticker on it. And here he looks with a Barrett, which is more World War One or early World War II outfit for German soldiers. And here we have the Kursk machine gunner. Very awesome. So this is the complete order. Very cool. Sorry for the noise in the background. Those are my parents and my brother. So yeah, that's all the stuff that I got. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and see you next time on DB Bricks. See ya.